Today I'm going to show you how to deposit a stack of cash using our new ITM. So I'm going to go ahead and touch the screen to begin. I'm going to insert in my Park City debit card. I'm going to enter in my PIN. I don't need to see my balances today. It'll bring me to the main screen with everything I can do. Today I'm going to deposit. Today I have a cash deposit. You can select all the accounts you want to deposit in. Today I'm just going to go on my savings. And then here you're going to insert the cash. You'll insert as it shows on the screen, kind of face down in that little bucket. It is cash only. You're not able to put any coins in the machine. Once it's counted all your bills, you'll go ahead and verify. You can insert more cash or hit continue. It'll ask if you want cash back. Today I do not. And then it'll ask if you want a receipt, if you need to complete another transaction. And then you can take your card, and I'm done and good to go.